Folks, have you ever had a bad time with a pine tree? I know I haven't. 100% of the time, if I'm feeling bad, I go out and commune with a pine and I'm feeling groovy in no time. And I think you should give it a try. You know, I've been accused of being a druid, accused of witchcraft and whatnot, but I'm just a feller who likes to spread the love of pine trees. And you might be saying, now hold on, I ain't got no pines, no trees of any kind near me. Well, you might be the victim of overdevelopment or even race-disturbing planning. I can't fix that for you, but I can tell you, a city councilman recently had a mind to pave over my grove and build a Walmart. I invited him out, and he hasn't been seen since. He must have got lost, poor feller. But I can tell you the trees are looking even taller than before. So if you want to save some pine trees, invite a councilman out, have them come visit. Maybe they won't come back. Maybe the trees will win and take over the earth, and wouldn't that be mighty fine?